In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort pages in OneNote. Keeping your notes organized is essential, especially when you're working with multiple topics or projects, and knowing how to arrange your pages properly can make a big difference in how quickly you find what you need. To get started, open Microsoft OneNote on your device and make sure your notebook is loaded. By default, the app usually opens the most recently used notebook, but if you need to switch, you can do so using the notebook selector at the top of the screen. Once you're in the correct notebook, you're ready to begin organizing your pages. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll see the list of pages within your current section. This panel is where you manage and navigate all your notes, so it's important to become familiar with how it works. Take a moment to locate the section you want to organize before moving forward. At the top of this page, List, you'll find an option that allows you to sort your pages. Click on this sorting option, and a small menu will appear with different ways you can arrange your content. You'll typically see choices such as sorting alphabetically, by the date the pages were created, or by the date they were last modified. Each option can be useful depending on how you structure your notes. If you want your pages arranged from A to Z, simply choose the alphabetical option. As soon as you select it, OneNote will automatically reorganize your pages in alphabetical order. The change happens instantly, so you'll immediately see your pages rearranged in the list. This is especially helpful if your pages are named based on topics, categories, or project titles, making everything easier to scan and locate. When it comes to organizing sections, the process works a little differently. OneNote does not currently provide an automatic sorting feature for sections. Instead, you'll need to arrange them manually. To do this, click and hold on a section tab, then drag it to your preferred position. You can repeat this process until your sections are arranged in the order that works best for you, including alphabetical order if that's your goal. With your pages sorted and your sections arranged, navigating your notebook becomes much more efficient. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.